Do you believe that billions of dollars are generated each year from the most advanced pig processing plants in Australia, boasting world-leading production lines? So, how do Australian farmers operate these gigantic farms and modern production lines? Leave a number 1 to let me know you're ready to explore this fascinating journey in an engaging video. Let's dispel the images of traditional pig farming with messy pens and unpleasant odors. The Australian pork industry has undergone a complete transformation, embracing a modern look with advanced technology and rigorous management processes. Did you know that in 2022, Australia's pork industry generated approximately 6 to 7 billion US dollars? The total pork production in Australia is expected to reach 1.5 million tons. Queensland alone accounts for over 750,000 tons, impressively covering more than 50% of the country's pig farming area. Australia's pork export market is mainly focused on Asian markets, with China being the largest importer. To control genetics, farmers can choose to breed pigs with the best genetic traits, producing healthy, high-yielding, and high-quality meat generations. This helps increase the fertilization rate, minimize losses due to ineffective breeding boars, and save cost and breeding time. If you're familiar with traditional pig reproduction processes, you'll surely be surprised to discover the entirely different world of reproduction on modern farms in Australia. Far beyond the image of pigs freely mating in regular pens, modern farms employ advanced artificial insemination procedures, offering significant advantages. After mating, female pigs will be pregnant for an average of 114 days. This is a period full of waiting, when new life is gradually forming and developing inside the sow's body. Before giving birth, female pigs are thoroughly cleaned by the breeder and then placed in a separate farrowing cage to facilitate the birthing process in the designated area. Pigs are fast and efficient livestock species. On average, a female pig can give birth twice a year, with each litter having 8 to 12 piglets. During the first 2 weeks after birth, piglets are nourished exclusively with mother's milk. The rich nutritional content in sow milk provides essential nutrients for the healthy development of the piglets. To ensure adequate nutrition for mother pigs during pregnancy and lactation, farmers use automatic feeding systems. This system provides food scientifically and effectively, ensuring mother pigs always have enough nutrition to produce milk for their piglets. To safeguard the health of the pig herd, the vaccination process is an integral part of animal care. These vaccines are typically designed to protect pigs from common diseases such as swine fever, swine enteritis, or other illnesses that could cause significant harm to the health and reproductive performance of the pigs. Pig farmers also strictly adhere to regulations regarding isolation and ensure that the pig herd undergoes regular health checks. On modern pig farms, raising piglets is done regularly, bringing many practical benefits to both piglets and farmers. This helps children have a more comfortable and active environment, contributing to physical and mental development. Pig diets are formulated scientifically and systematically, ensuring the supply of necessary nutrients for healthy growth. Feeding takes place 3 times a day, with the appropriate amount of food appropriate to their age and stage of development. In addition to cereals, pigs are also supplemented with other foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and fish meal. Furthermore, the 24/7 water supply system helps regulate body temperature, supports digestion, and facilitates the transport of nutrients in the body. The combination of modern infrastructure and advanced technology has proven to be effective in providing a nurturing environment for animals, leading to enhanced productivity, characteristic of the livestock industry. The sustainable approach of Australia's pork industry demonstrates a strong commitment to environmental protection and efficient resource utilization. One of the most prominent aspects of this strategy is the conversion of manure into biogas, which not only helps minimize negative environmental impacts by reducing waste, but also generates clean energy for the industry. This promotes modernization and innovation in resource management within Australia's pork industry, from reusing manure to producing energy and supplementing nutrients for crops. When matured, pigs are transported to processing plants. To prevent muscle fatigue-related pig loss during transportation, they've installed accelerometer sensors on transport vehicles to measure vibrations and shakes during transit. To ensure the safety of the pigs before they board the trucks, workers apply a layer of high-friction material. This is an important preparatory step that workers undertake before loading the pigs onto the trucks. Prior to loading the pigs onto these trucks, a layer of sawdust is meticulously spread on the truck floor. This practice serves 2 purposes: maintaining cleanliness and comfort for the pigs during transportation, while also assisting in absorbing waste and helping to create a cleaner truck environment. After arriving at the collection point, the pigs will rest before continuing their journey to the processing plant. After being transported to the processing plant, the pigs will undergo the first stage of processing. Science and art converge to create an impressive process. Each pig is meticulously processed to ensure cleanliness. At the processing plant, pig processing procedures are carried out using methods that prioritize the care and maximum respect for animal welfare. Internal organs are also removed to ensure food safety and prevent any negative impact on meat quality. With modern technology equipped with advanced machines such as bone removal, slicing, and meat processing are performed automatically with high precision and efficiency. These machines not only improve production efficiency, but also ensure strict compliance with hygiene and food quality standards. Quality control and safety are paramount to ensure that final pork products meet strict standards. Once the pork products have undergone processing, they are carefully packaged to maintain freshness and quality. Packaging ensures not only that the products reach consumers with consistent quality, but also preserves the best flavors of the meat. Do you know exactly what a soft-shell turtle is? It's a type of turtle commonly raised in countries like China, Vietnam, Thailand, etc. True to its name, they have a soft shell instead of a hard, bony shell like other turtle species. Soft-shell turtle meat is not only a unique culinary delight, but also a fantastic taste experience, bringing uniqueness and allure to those who indulge. The flavor of soft-shell turtle meat is a harmonious blend of deliciousness and slight sweetness, creating a distinctive taste unlike any other type of meat. This could be attributed to the turtle's natural diet, often consisting of natural and nutritious foods, contributing to the special flavor of the meat. Soft-shell turtles are famous not only for their unique shell, but also for their distinctive, delicious taste. That's why many farmers have switched to raising millions of these turtles to meet the demand for meat. Soft-shell turtles lay eggs twice a month, producing around 17 to 18 eggs each time. On average, each soft-shell turtle is capable of laying between 34 to 36 eggs per month, and the reproductive process typically lasts from February to October. To ensure the maximum number of these soft-shell turtles hatch, the eggs from the nesting grounds are collected by farmers. If you love these turtles, leave a number 1 in the comments. After collecting the eggs from the nesting sites, soft-shell turtle eggs are placed in plastic containers with about 1,000 eggs per container, and sand is poured over the eggs to a depth of 3 to 4 centimeters. Every few days, the sand is misted to create humidity. The temperature in this environment is typically maintained at around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. This helps create an ideal nurturing environment for the healthy development of the turtle hatchlings. With human intervention, the hatching process of soft-shell turtles is significantly shortened to only about 40 to 50 days. The positive impact of human intervention not only reduces incubation time, but also ensures the successful nurturing and protection of newly hatched soft-shell turtles. Every year, this farm supplies approximately 7,000 baby turtles per day, a truly impressive number. Are you interested in starting a business with this turtle breed? From what I understand, with just about 8 cents, you can own a newly hatched soft-shell turtle. With minimal capital, you'll have the potential to become the owner of a soft-shell turtle farm. This could be a fantastic opportunity to embark on a new business journey. These turtles seem to thrive in the warm climate of Asia. In farms for meat processing purposes, there are some soft-shell turtle breeds that are popular due to their rapid growth and good meat quality, such as the Chinese soft-shell turtle, the red-eared slider, and the Malayan soft-shell turtle. One of these turtle breeds can grow up to 70 kilograms. Do you find these baby turtles cute? If yes, leave a like below. In the early stages of life, they'll be fed a special type of bran pellet. To prevent the development of parasites or diseases such as ulcerative or shell rot on these young soft-shell turtles, farmers will clean their pens approximately every 3 months. The water source for breeding must also be consistently maintained at an optimal level to ensure their best growth. Bigger soft-shell turtles will be fed with natural live foods, such as freshwater fish, marine fish scraps, eels, frogs, golden apple snails, earthworms, and mealworms. When soft-shell turtles reach a weight of 1.5 kilograms or more, they can be fed with a mixture of various types of pelletized food to fatten them up. After about 2 to 3 years, these turtles will be harvested. This is the most anticipated moment for farmers. Farmers will use rakes to search for soft-shell turtles hiding under the mud. In Asian countries, the price of 1 kilogram of soft-shell turtles ranges from approximately $12.34 to $28.78. It seems like these farmers have had a successful harvest. Soft-shell turtle meat is not only delicious, but also a rich source of nutrients. Known for its high protein content, unsaturated fats, vitamins, minerals, and collagen, soft-shell turtle meat supports muscle development, maintains cardiovascular health, provides energy, and supports other bodily functions. And that's why their essence is also used to make a functional food product. Not only soft-shell turtles, but also the land turtle farming model has become one of the high-income industries for farmers. Their egg incubation methods are also similar. This industry not only provides a crucial source of food and livestock for the domestic market, but also exports to many other countries, such as Japan, South Korea, the United States, and Europe. After completing the mating process, the female turtle will then lay eggs after about 1 to 2 months. This is part of the unique and fascinating reproductive cycle of turtles. Land turtles are creatures with diverse eating preferences. They often select their food from the natural world around them, including vegetation such as grass, spinach, and bok choy. Additionally, fruits and vegetables like watermelon, tomatoes, and carrots are also essential parts of their diet. Land turtles can also consume live foods such as worms, grasshoppers, and crickets. Turtle eggs are widely used in medicine and are processed into food. Turtle eggs are considered precious medicine, with properties that are balanced, sweet, nourishing blood, nourishing yin, clearing heat, resolving phlegm, and benefiting the 5 internal organs. They are one of the precious medicines for treating insomnia. As for turtle shells, considered valuable jewelry, they are often crafted into beautiful and unique handicrafts. The utilization of every part of the turtle in the industry is part of the long-standing culture and tradition of the Chinese people. They started their journey at the first destination, a frozen tuna factory, an enticing spot for seafood lovers and sashimi enthusiasts. With its astonishing mass production process, it supplies a large quantity of tuna daily, ensuring freshness and flavor for your sashimi dish. Here, you can choose from various types of tuna, such as yellowfin tuna, big eye tuna, long-tailed tuna, and albacore tuna. With its impressive scale and reliable product quality, this seafood factory is the perfect destination for an exhilarating live seafood experience. At the modern livestock farm, advanced methods and cutting-edge technologies, along with innovative approaches, are employed to ensure the optimal growth and health of pigs, which are easy to raise and thrive well. In developed countries, the processing of animals for meat and other products is carried out according to standards that include food production and transportation processes to ensure food safety as well as to minimize the risk of injury and pain to the animals. Approximately 50 billion cans of pork are produced each year, constituting a significant portion of the food processing industry. Canned pork undergoes a precise production process, starting with tightly sealing the product. They are then heat treated to destroy all spoilage-causing microorganisms, creating commercially sterile canned meat products. During this process, all living microorganisms, including spores, are either destroyed or rendered inactive. Please comment number 1 to let me know you'll be with us until the end of this video. Are you curious about the snake egg incubation process? After collection, the eggs are typically placed in a warm, humid environment and kept at consistent temperature and humidity conditions to facilitate the incubation process, while also controlling the development of the eggs. This process can last from several weeks to several months and requires patience and special skills from the egg breeders. However, it yields valuable results when seeing healthy baby snakes hatch. Are you looking to create an attractive, large volume package with neatly folded and automatically loaded sliced cold cuts? TechStore has the perfect solution for you. With its innovative and breakthrough dual-layer slicing system, the TS700 produces delicate, paper-thin slices of meat, gently bending to your desired shape. The automatic folding and loading capability optimizes the packaging process, ensuring perfection for each package. Are you struggling with grinding frozen meat? The Alaska WWB Meat Grinder is the perfect solution for you. This machine features sharp blades and powerful capacity, allowing you to easily grind all types of meat, even when they're frozen at -19 degrees Celsius. With its unique and breakthrough dual-layer slicing system, this excellent cheese slicer cuts each slice with outstanding precision based on weight. Your task is simply to place the cheese on the machine and showcase your magic. The automated wine production plant in Busan, South Korea, is making a huge impact in the beverage industry due to its immense scale and output. With advanced automation technology, the plant can produce 20 bottles of wine per second, equivalent to 1,200 bottles per minute and 72,000 bottles per hour. This is an incredibly impressive number, showcasing the remarkable advancement in the wine production industry. As a result, the plant is able to meet the growing demand for wine consumption in both domestic and international markets. Next, let's explore the fruit processing process in the factory. First, join me in witnessing a scene of sheer power and skill as the blueberry harvesting machine zips through rows of waiting bushes, ready to take on the challenging task. With precision and dizzying speed, they can harvest hundreds of acres of blueberries in just one day. They are true superheroes of the field. At the factory, blueberries are carefully processed to ensure freshness and quality. They are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt and surface impurities. This washing process ensures that the blueberries are clean and safe for consumers. Afterwards, the blueberries proceed to the drying stage. After being cleaned by the modern system, the blueberries are ready for packaging. These machines automatically pour the fruit into packages after inspection, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. This automated packaging process not only optimizes the process, but also helps maintain the freshness and integrity of the blueberries until they reach the market. Take a look at the scene before you. Tong Engineering's 5-line potato processing and peeling facility in the United Kingdom is a true potato paradise. Handling over 100,000 tons of potatoes annually, they produce everything from whole peeled potatoes to slices, small squares, and diced pieces, ensuring that supermarkets across the UK never run out of their potatoes. The packaging is made from paper and bamboo mesh, offering an environmentally friendly option that is 100% recyclable. With an aesthetically pleasing design that doesn't compromise on the primary goal of packaging, optimal food preservation, it protects quality while minimizing food waste. Before your screen are the world's leading fruit processing machines. Here, the process begins with technicians conducting a thorough cleaning stage to remove any small traces of dirt, ensuring that the products meet hygiene and food safety standards. Next, on the production line, each avocado undergoes meticulous quality checks. Machines help sort the fruit streams by size, while also removing any defective or substandard fruits before they're sent for packaging. Before your screen is the Flowpack Systems RedPack P325EFI, an advanced packaging machine specially designed for packaging non-abrasive fruits like apples. With modern technology and high flexibility, this machine helps package products quickly and efficiently. Importantly, it ensures the safety and quality of the product throughout the packaging process. Amazing! The skilled and nimble hands of the baker transform these cakes into blooming flowers. Thousands of cakes, cut into standard sizes, are hopping along the conveyor belt. This production line, coupled with 4 workers, achieves a productivity equivalent to 30 workers working continuously every hour. These yellow bell peppers are always my top choice in fruit and vegetable salads. How about you? This is our channel. This is the channel manager. This is the video editor. And this is the content creator.